Hello, friends and followers. Please excuse my voice. I've had the flu for nearly 6 days, 7 days, and I'm finally getting over it, but it takes time. Anyway, nope, I didn't get the flu shot, and I will after this. This is the second flu I've had. I had a flu at Christmas 2024, and now 2025. I've had the second flu for about 7 days, and I'm done with flus, so not sure why I didn't get a flu shot. Just too busy or something, but it was stupid not to get it. It's not worth being sick so long. Anyway, the good thing about the flu is if it goes away, then you're done with it. At least you weren't sick the rest of your life. Okay, here's the plug for the Collins. I think this thing's a 52 S1 transmitter. This is the actual Collins end that plugs into the Collins. I'm done soldering up this end. The other end of this goes to the Heathkit HP23A power supply, and so I've covered all these now parts, and I've tried to put heat shrink on these wires that are important. The bias B plus and HV, you just don't want those crossing anything, so you can see there's some heat shrink on the red wire, the blue wire. Red wire is this one here. Blue wire is this one, and this one's a yellow wire. Those all have heat shrink. So I'm about ready to put this one back together now too. And that's it. Call it a day for this cable. Send to my friend and pray it works, because I have not tested this at home and I can't test it here. I don't have an HP23A. I don't have a Collins transmitter, but anyway. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I guess the only thing hurt is my ego. I'm going to tell David not to be touching a transmitter and have everything unplugged when he put this cable on, because if you get the grounding wrong, you could have 800 volts between two pieces of equipment that could kill somebody. So you don't really want to screw this up. This is very serious business, making these cables. So I will have him be very careful. All right, that about completes that. Again, we give it a little test here. Doesn't twist, that's good. Find the package with the parts. Yeah, this is a really good little kit this guy sends. I'm not sure where he gets his stuff, but it seems like it's really high quality, so I will take it. And let's open this thing up without screws flying all over the room. Half the problem is these things can open up and things fly around and you can't find them. There we go. All we'll do now is clip the shells on this and we call it a day. I guess I should give it one last sanity check here. Make sure it's wired right. That's the least I can do for Dave. Let's see here. Okay, pin number 1. Pin number 111. Okay, pin number 1 looks to be ground. Is that right? No, it's pin number 3. Well, I did it right, thank God. Okay, yeah, pin number, okay. 1 starts pretty much here. So, pin number 1 and 2 are ground wire. And that ties, let's see. So I'm trying to get back in sync with my diagram here. So I can go to 3, 10, or 11 here. Okay, so I guess that's right. 11 is a pin at the end. 11, 10, and there's 3. 3, that looks fine. And now pin number 1 should be a blue wire. Pin number 1 is a blue wire. Pin number 2, the hot wire red. That looks reasonable. Pin number, okay, there's the marking pin right there. So you go 1, 2. That looks fine. Pin number 3 is the ground. That's fine. And let's see. 8 and 9 are the filament white wire. 8 and 9 go right together like that. I'm looking for the I can see the pins markings in there barely. 8 and 9. Pin 5 is AC. It's gonna be a brown one. Yeah. Pin 5 is AC. I didn't even put any heat shrink on that. Anyway, you want to bend this one away, I suppose, because you don't want it touching there. All right, pin number 5, is that 5? It's 7. Okay, so pin number 7 should be an orange one, and it's orange, yeah. Pin number 5 is a brown one. And let's see. I'm trying to find the number 5 in here. I know I'm mumbling. For people that complain I'm mumbling, I'm sorry. I've had the flu. I know I mumble, but now I'm really mumbling. So, hey, you know where the stop button is. Sorry. All right. Pin number 7 is an orange wire. We did that. Last one is pin number 4, the yellow wire. And that's for the bias. Pin number 4, yellow wire. Yep. There's pin number 4. And that's next to 3 and 5. Okay, this thing's good to go. So let's pin it together and call it a day, because I'm kind of tired of working on it anyway. These cables always take hours. I mean, they just suck up time like a sponge. So anyway. You want to make sure that when you bend these together, they don't start causing shorts and everything. So this wire, I wish I would have made it a little friendlier. There, I just want it not so close to the case. It's hugging the 800 volt wire, but they're insulated, so I don't care. I don't love how that came out, but that's how it came out. Let's see if it works. Now, can I twist these or something, or just make them fold down? There they go. Fold them all in like that. Okay. Try and put the shells on this guy. This plug doesn't have, this one doesn't have a, oh it does, it has a nib right there. So you put the nib in there. Is there a nib? Yep, right there. You put the nib here into there. Or else it's never going to seat right. Snap it in. When you turn it, it should go snap. There, I think it snapped in now. Yep, that looks good. Want to push these down further. Get that green one gone. Tell you what, green wire, you're a pain in my, you know what. That takes care of you. And, okay, put this on. Yeah, this one's going to be tight. It's just a pain. So you can see where things are kind of smashing and burning in there. It's not going to be easy, is it? So what can I do to make this better? Looks like I have too much clearance. The green wire, of course, is a pain in the ass, and it went into this hole. Good job, green wire. All right, so that yellow wire could get bent down here, out of the way. Boy, this one's going to be tough. If it works at all. So actually, I should put the other one on first. Look at this thing again holistically and say, what can I do to fix it? Push it down further, I guess. Crush these down. I hope this thing works at all. That's such a hack. Okay, let's roll it and look for shorts. That still looks pretty good. All right, so you want to get this nub in first. It only goes in one place. There, that's in. Now, if the rest will go in, it looks better this time. Compress this, compress that. It looks better. Looks like Mr. Yellow Wire, you're a pain too. What can we do with the yellow wire? Move it. Black wire doesn't look good either. Damn jumper wire. Move that down into there. Okay, it's all the way. And let's see if this will go together. I doubt it, but no, it's closer. It's a lot closer. So what's in the way? The yellow wire, huh? Well, guess what, Mr. Yellow Wire? You're getting the push. Push you in. Out of my hair, man. The funky yellow wire. All right, can it close? Nope. Too much going on in here. I'm gonna say to my friend David, don't open this thing ever. It won't be pretty. Okay, so I'm going to force it. I guess I can check it for shorts later. I'm just going to start pushing it together and then push things out of the way and see if it'll close. Because I'm desperate and I want to get this done because I'm tired of working on it. Okay, the one side closed. This side, what do we got in the way? I don't know. Yellow wire or something. Okay. Man, I just don't know. I'm afraid to even open it again. Okay, so if it survived all that inside and nothing's shorted out or broken, what you want to do now is just do an integrity test of the wires, make sure they're not shorted. And if that's the case, I ship it to Dave. And I tell him, never open this damn thing, ever. Because it's a rat's nest. It's not great work, but it's work. Okay. It's together. And we have good strain relief. That's what you want. You don't want it wobbling around, especially with a rat's nest like that in there. Okay. Thanks for watching. This one was a nightmare. Have a great day.